In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Trend Trigger Factor indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this indicator ready to use on your charts. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. On your main chart screen, look toward the top of the page for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, but it will usually be near the top toolbar, above the price chart. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the Indicators window where you can search through all the built-in tools. Once that window is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the quickest way to find what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Click into the search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Now type in Trend Trigger Factor, just like that. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the available indicators. In most cases, the Trend Trigger Factor will appear under the built-in or community scripts list, depending on how it's categorized in your version. When you see it in the list, simply click on the name. The moment you click it, the indicator will be added directly to your chart, usually appearing in a separate panel below the price or overlaid, depending on how it's designed. After it's added, the next important step is to adjust the settings so it fits your trading style and is easy for you to read. On your chart, hover over the name of the Trend Trigger Factor indicator. You'll see a small gear or settings icon next to it. Click that to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can usually tweak things like the length or period of the calculation, the colors of the lines, and how the plots are displayed. Take a moment to adjust the visual style so it's clear and stands out from your other tools. If you are just getting started, you can leave the default values as they are and simply change colors or line thickness so you can see it clearly. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more features and indicators on multiple charts, check out the link in my description to sign up and get everything set up properly for your trading.